Good afternoon. My name is Jose Alejandro Ruiz Murillo. This conversation is John and Arthur. John said, "Hey, have you ever worked on a project like this before?" Arthur responded, "Yes, I have worked on similar projects in the past. I have developed strong analytical skills and gained extensive experience in project m- management. management. John, say, John says, "What were you doing before the client meeting yesterday?" Arthur responded, "I had been preparing the presentation for the client meeting for the entire week. I had been rebe- reviewing the data and creating the slides to ensure everything was perfect." John said, "Do you regret not double checking the figure before submitting the report?" Arthur responded, "Yes, I do. If I had double checked the figures, we would have faced the embarrassing situation during the meeting."